Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. I did a Manuka Honey video, just kind of brushed over it a few days ago. So today I want to do another Manuka Honey video because I've been using it for 15 years, and I can guarantee the results. I've been using Manuka Honey for my stomach issues that I've been having over the last 15 years, and with great success. And today I want to share a few recipes and what I do and how I do and how I use my Manuka Honey. I use it almost daily. Sometimes, I'm human, I forget. Or when I feel good, I use it less, right? It's just human nature. And so today I'm going to talk about a few Manuka Honey recipes and how I use it. The first recipe that I'm going to do today is I stole that from a tennis player called Novak Djokovic. He's probably one of the greatest players that ever played the game, and he says he uses this recipe every morning. So what it is, it's Manuka Honey, lemon juice, and water. Manuka Honey, lemon juice, and water. Now the water has to be no more than 104 in temperature, no more than 104 degrees, because if it's more than 104, it's going to kill all the good enzymes in Manuka Honey. It's going to kill all that goodness, and that's why we drink it, right? Because if you lose that, then you might as well just drink regular honey. Take I use the organic lemon juice, put that into your water. Always make sure to check the water's temperature before you put the honey in there, because if it's over 104, you're doing it wrong. Gonna put some Manuka Honey in there. Ah, look how beautiful that is. Beautiful, look at that. Put it in the water. Don't be afraid to mix it. And I actually use alkaline water. I'm not sure if that helps any or not. That's just what I drink. So it basically looks like that. Your honey is going to kind of melt into this warm water and lemon juice. You're going to have a drink that looks like that. It's very healthy. It's good for you. Drink it every day. If #1 tennis player in the world drinks it, we can drink it too. If it helps him, it's probably going to help us. It's going to give you an energy boost. It's going to make your stomach feel good. It's going to give you everything. It's going to fight all the bad stuff in your system. How can you go wrong with this? Drink it every day. Just remember the water temperature can't be over 104. That's the key thing to remember. Cheers. It's actually very good. It's delicious. Ooh, I really like it. It's a great combination. It's not hot, it's just a little warm. Lemon's a great addition. Lemon juice. Manuka Honey, it tastes like Manuka Honey, but the lemon juice really toned it down in a good way. So if this is something you want to try, definitely try it. If it works for one of the best players, tennis players that ever played the game, I'm sure it's going to work for us. Recipe number 2 for this video, it's going to be again the start of the show, Manuka Honey and organic turmeric. This one's ground. Now I couldn't find any fresh fresh one because I'm doing this during the coronavirus lockdown, and I looked for it, I couldn't find any. So I'm gonna do this recipe. I'm gonna do with the organic ground turmeric, which I believe it works just as well. This one I do every day. I really like it. I think it helped my stomach tremendously, and I love it. So I'm gonna walk you through it and show you how I do it. Gonna take Manuka honey. It's gonna go right in there. Be patient. Stuff is expensive. Maybe a little bit more. Take the turmeric, sprinkle it on top, you know, like sugar on a donut. All right. Now you're gonna mix it all in. You're gonna blend it all in, okay? See how it changes color? It changes color, and it changes the smell change too. It's not that heavy Manuka honey smell. You can smell the gingery turmeric in there. This looks good enough. Now you're gonna. So this is something I take every day. I took it with some regular organic honey, and it was amazing as well. But Manuka honey's got all that extra stuff that we like, so. Just scoop it up. Scoop it. That is strong. A lot of people can't do it. I had friends at work that I recommended Manuka honey to, and they would come back, they would take 1 spoon and bring me the rest, and they would tell me, here, you take it. I can't swallow it, I can't take it down, I can't. But if you're serious about your health and you want to do your body right, no pain, no gain. If you love honey, you're not gonna have a problem with this honey. But if you're not a honey person, I'm not. But I do this every day because I want to, and because I know the benefits of this honey. Another way to take this honey is put it on some toast. Take it down like that. Take it down straight up. About 4 or 5 ways to take it real good. The first way to drink, this way with turmeric, you can do it straight up, right out of the, and you can put it on toast or a piece of bread. Take it down like that. That's all I got for this video. Thank you for watching. Please like the video, subscribe to my channel. I'll have more stuff like this coming up in the future. Thank you. See you in the next video.